Purezidenti Yoweri Museveni okwasira bendera ya NRM omukushera karuru ko bwa Purezidenti erizoba yasibo mu district ya Mbale hamwe na Bukwo kandi abibembezi bamushabire kutungura omutindo gw'Obwegyese eby'amagara kandi na nokutaho ensharo ahagati y'irindiro ry'enyamisho hamwe n'abatura.
Your Excellency, water, national water is working on the water sources in Mbale and on the ground. We thank you for that, sir. Your Excellency, we request you to construct for us a cultural site in Mtoto, which will help the income to bring income to the country of Uganda, to our city and the whole country.
Purezidenti Museveni nagira ngute nyinjo mu cyange cy'abugisu zukozurwe konka harumuntu baza gukora izindi ezirume urwa Butareja na Mutumba Mbale nkokonjero Boboro Boduda na Rwampara okuzana misindwa kandi naneziri yo mu mbera ezindi nazo niza kukorwa.
We have repaired the road from Tororo to Mbale to Soroti to Rira many times. The road from Nakalama, Namutumba, Tirinyi, the Budaka, all the way to Mbale was Maram, and we tarmacked. It was the NRM which tarmacked that road. The road from here to Butiru, to Bugobero, to Buburo, to Bumbo, to Ruaha was tarmacked by us. Nabumari, Butareja, Namutumba road, 90 kilometers.
Butareja, Namutumba.
The money is available for that road. Mbale Nkokonjeru road. That one is a short road, it is 20 kilometers.
President Museveni nagira cyanga cyabugisu nabwe cyatunjira amashanyarazi bitunu bendaga hihi ho mu rubori cyaro kandi no kusya obuhereza bw'amizi hihi na nabantu ombyaro rukagi 17 biryo muri Mbale. President Museveni nashobora ngo government eriyo nehunduza uruguto rwegari y'umwika okwenda ngo kayanguse byentambara na munonga bashuzo konjere byentasya.
So in the coming government, this is what we are going to work on. Now, on telephones, you all have telephones now. Now, electricity is available everywhere except to put it in more, to download it in other more points. I was looking in the file here for the water. Let me see Kamwenge.
Hambone anoi fana district Mbale ino.
Yes, Mbale district has got 613 villages.
Mbale district ini bibyalo villages bimya bisesaba niliyo 16.
Now 484 of those have safe water.
President Museveni yagira ngo burumuruka nuguza kutungisha imirire ya government ya primary kandi nubaza okongera nahaga secondary okwenda kutungura eby'Obwegyese omunchire rukwija.
I can see here Mbale district has got 69 government primary schools, but our policy is to make sure that there is a government primary school per parish. Now the secondary schools, Mbale district has got 16 government secondary schools. Now all these are part of the social infrastructure.
President Museveni yaashaba okumahajira hamwe na n'ekibina kya NRM okwenda ngo agumizemu arukwebembera ihanga.
Mwanyara kimirimo mwebare kuwagira NRM. NRM oye! Mbale oye! Bugisu oye! Uganda oye! East Africa oye!
Amakuru agagasha kwa Anita Tukunda.